Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the game responsive. Press D-pad up or the up arrow to bring the phone up instantly. Once done, look at the top row for contacts, internet, and quick actions. You'll use those repeatedly. Make sure you're not in a cutscene or paused with menus that override controls, otherwise the phone won't register. If you're in first person, the timing differs slightly, so hold the input briefly until the phone GUI appears and you can navigate with sticks or mouse. You navigate by cycling apps with left and right. That exposes contacts, messages, job list, and internet. Once inside an app, use up and down to highlight entries, then press O or Enter to select Quick and Precise. If you need to back out, press B or Escape, and remember the phone accepts mouse clicks on PC for web links and job invites. Also, when using the internet app, scroll carefully so you don't unintentionally open a job or property page that interrupts your flow. You finish by confirming the action. Accept calls, tap Join Job, or buy items and then hang up to close the phone so you regain full control. Once done, press up again or your mapped phone key to hide it and resume gameplay. If the phone becomes unresponsive, make sure no menus block inputs, rebind the phone key in controls, or reload your session. These fixes clear most issues. If problems persist, quitting to story or restarting the game will.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.